Since the title and subtitle are created with text boxes, you can edit them by selecting the text box, clicking Edit, then highlighting the text within and make your changes. To change the color, select the text, go to the top menu, click the 3 dots, and choose Text Color. You can also adjust the font type and text size from the top menu. Other sections are created using tables. To edit these sections, select the text and use the top menu to change font size, style, and color as desired. You can even add a custom color for additional customization options. Click on the Add sign.